Hi Abdi, this is oorNews. Now as you'll ken if you've been following oorNews, what I've been doing is I've been training an LLM on all the articles on my website. Now what you can do is can help make this LLM better and you can attack a share based on the words that you're putting into it. Now you can get an account set up, you'll just let me in and I'll send you some details and then you can go on. I've got this preferences app. It'll generate random sentences in whatever type of Scots you the three types of Scots that we hear on oorNews for new. Again, for random sentences, it'll do is it'll take a word for an open source dictionary, and then it'll mark sentences that you can pick the one that you think is the best. But if I really want you to do is to change the words that are in here. Again, if it's neericht, again, change it. So again, and I'm going to go and sort of make all the changes to this, because I didn't have time. But again, this sentence, again, there's a couple of things in here that aren't quite right that need changing. And as well as that, we have database pairs. I've got a muckle database of Central Scots sentences along with English sentences, and then fit the model will use it'll give you the other version in, say, Doric or Shetlandic or whatever, or potentially tidies up Central Scots, and can you then. So, basically, do the same thing here if I can match up sentences. You can also test out or LLM, so we've got the LLM playground. You can go on here and basically let's try out a sentence. So let's just put in just a random sentence, try this out. Let's see if it would say in Central Scots, it would cost too much to fly to Glasgow from Aberdeen, and so we'll have to take the bus on a journey of more than 200 miles. And if I put that in the Central Scots, it would cost our muckle to flee to Glasgow from Aberdeen, and say we'll have to take a bus on a journey of more than 200 miles. Although if I was reading that out, it said take a bus because I'm from North East Scotland. But anyway, that's just let's see if you can do the LLM playground there. But if I really want out to do is get an article I read up. Now see, this is for you can get a lot of words that you're talking to Shiro, and for anybody that's good at just Central Scots or Shetlandic, you can look at the draft articles around here. If you're after good at Doric, you can get on the published articles and can mark improvements to only the Doric articles, and that would be good enough. And getting on to here, click on whatever article you want to look at, and under find article. And then there's a lot of steps to getting through on here. I'm making this feel step through them now. If you want to change the title of it, you have to do that now at this point in the steps. And then you can change a few many sentences you want to look at a time. You can put it down to just 1 or 2 sentences if you want to do it. Slowly, if you want to get a wee bit faster, like we're doing just now, let's put X sentences at a time. I'm not going to actually check the text, but just as we're doing with the other training thing, VT is you get the English sentences, you get the Scots sentences, and then you can improve the Scots sentences. And that's the thing I really want to do is just mark it's a great translation between the two of them. And then get to the end of it. And then if it'll do is it'll submit it as a draft. I'll still hate publishing to the website, but this app will track all the changes that you make to it. You can't break the website or do anything like that. If you're making changes to publish your articles, it will take them off the website until I go back and republish them. But it's just in case I want to make any course changes on anything, it'll just take final ability to publish to the website. Submit it as a draft, and then it'll log that, and then you can go onto your profile, and you can see all the changes that you've made, things that you've done, and on here you can change your password and do other things like that. So and it'd be awfully good if you can get on here and help me. Another thing you can do to help out oorNews, getting out for doing anything like that. If you just want to help you fit what we're doing here, we've got a wee shoppy. We'll be putting more items in here, but for the new, we've got a couple of t-shirts, a sticker and a mug. But only why some of the profits will just going to having the website going and hosting this app and that sort of thing. So like and subscribe from here.